restaurant chef over at the Point Grill. I would like to acknowledge that we are gathered today on the ancestral and unceded territory of the Musqueam people. I am making a savory blueberry and onion jam. I'm going to show you how to pair that with a ghost cheese stuffed pork chop. It should be about 2 cups of chopped onion when you're finished. And then we're just going to season that with salt and pepper. For this, we're going to throw in fresh thyme. So when your onions are dark and caramelized and they've been cooking for like 20 to 30 minutes, you're going to want to add your balsamic vinegar and your red wine. And then when that's done, we're going to add our 2 cups of blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen. I'm using frozen. That's looking pretty good. So we're going to throw in our blueberries, our brown sugar, and honey. And this is going to have to cook for like another 10 to 12 minutes. You can squish any remaining blueberries with the back of a wooden spoon or a rubber spatula. Last second, throw in a little bit of lemon juice, and then you can put it into a container, cool, put it in the fridge. Now I'm going to show you how to quickly stuff a boneless pork chop. First, we're going to make the cheese that goes on the inside. So I'm just using a local ghost cheese. This is just a mix of fresh parsley, rosemary, and thyme. I'm going to do a little salt and pepper. And this is about the juice of half of a lemon. What we're going to do is we're going to cut a pocket in the end so you can shove everything in, and then you're not going to lose as much product when it's in the oven. Hold the pork chop flat with your hands, and you're just going to cut in as far as you can go, but try not to cut out the sides or the top and the bottom, or you'll lose cheese. So all we're going to stuff it with is this cheese and a little arugula. I'm just going to take some fresh arugula, salt and pepper, like you can use any veg, carrots, anything. Blueberries season lines up with zucchini season, so that's what I'm using. Throw a little salt and pepper on your zucchini. Fire the whole thing in like a 400-degree oven. It takes like 6 minutes. These are garlic roasted potatoes. You can fire these into the oven 15 minutes before you put your pork in. It's just russet potatoes, oil, salt, pepper, and some fresh garlic.